All right. Whew, I'm a little out of breath because I just ran here following the dog, but what I'm about to show you today is this beautiful, large, southern abandoned home. I don't know anything about the date of it or how long it's been abandoned. Got my buddy over there. I'll maybe try to find something in the house that can maybe tell me when the last time it was inhabited. But she's already going in. You can't take a sneak peek. So it's just beautiful. I love the trees. Got some barns over there. You ready? You ready to go in and look? She's already been in. Simply beautiful. It's got lots of pretty trees around it. The porch is barely hanging on. I bet there's lots of cool things to look at and explore in here. Okay. So I'm going to go on in. I guess this would be the living area. Lots of really cool peeling paint. Something that I noticed is some strange, really strange scratches here. I don't know what those are from or about, but they're kind of everywhere. But I always love the peeling paint. I like the wallpaper too, so hopefully this house will have some wallpaper in it. It's carpeted. We got a door here to the left. Got a little weird window there. Got a shelf. Oh. So back here, we've got a lot of damage. This must have been the bathroom at some point, yep. Nice little carpeted toilet. There's the one shoe. Little built-in shelf. There's me. What you doing, girl? This room to the side has been ransacked, looks like, and junked out, so oh, somebody's been drawing. Okay. These ceilings are really low. So like I'm almost 6 foot tall, and like I'm right here, almost touching with my head. I got the low ceilings. There's a part of the wall behind that drywall. So off of, I guess, maybe the living room, front room, we enter this room. We've got some old vinyl in here. So I don't know if this pink stuff is paint, like maybe texture paint. They did some painting right over the outlet there. But I like it. I like the pink color. Yeah, it looked like somebody's, it's on the ceiling too. Windows are all busted out. Look like there's a chimney flue at some point. Hot cocoa. So maybe this was a little dining room? I don't know. Just kind of a random room in the middle. These old windows are really cool. So I think now I'm entering the kitchen. So yeah, the last time I visited this, all this was not busted out like this. There's been a lot of water damage since the last time I was here. Oh, it's like an old little ice cube tray. I'm hoping I can find something in here with an expiration date. So yeah, so there's another one of them chimney flues. What you doing? One of those chimney flues that has a little shelf under it. So yeah, this is clearly falling in. So this house probably won't be here much longer either. So there was the kitchen cabinetry. Not a lot of space, it don't look like. Maybe this milk jug has an expiration date. Critter action. Huh. So this floor is looking pretty soft. I mean, I wouldn't have far to fall, but let's see. Something. I wish I had like a jar of food. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ugh. Self-rising fire. Oh, wait, here's a can of something. Maybe I can see an expiration date. Not on that. Maybe this flour has a date. I'm gonna find one. I'm gonna find a date on something. Let's see. No date on the jug. Yellow. I don't know if this would actually be old or not. Okay, let's see. I don't have my glasses, so I really don't know if I could even read a date if I saw one. I need to start thinking of that if I'm going to go on these adventures. What do we have here? Barbecue, seasoning, and rub. Are you looking there? Okay. So not a lot of going on in the kitchen. Nothing with a date on it, and I'm trying not to fall through. Got a random brick. I wonder if somebody's been throwing bricks. It's not very nice to vandalize these places. Let's see. So yeah, this must have been like a mud room or something. There's some of that. Oh goodness, look. Okay, I'm stepping down. But what I've noticed now that I am definitely not. There's some kind of basement down there. Ooh, maybe a cellar. I've never noticed steps on the inside going downstairs. Oh, and there's like a little door. So this stuff I always find, oh, that's a door. Okay, so, oh my goodness. So what I'm looking at is a door that goes to something. So maybe I can get around to the other side and see what's on the other side of that door. And there's another little door. Maybe I don't want to know what's on the other side of that door. Well, I don't really know if I'd want to go in it because that's what's under it. And I definitely don't want to fall down in there. Wow, this dirt's falling in. But that's pretty. That stuff's pretty. Okay. So that is where I showed you the bathroom. Yeah, like there's like a porch. And then this looks like it was a mud room. Hey, girl. So I'm going back in the kitchen because I would like to go back through parts of the house. Oh, yeah, so it looks like upstairs is going to be a challenge. There's some little wallpaper pattern. Okay, I'm coming back in. Okay. Check these for eggs. It ain't the year for it, or the time of the year, but you never know the mysteries of these abandoned places. So I don't know where the stairs are to go upstairs. I hope I can get up there, but I don't know. Oh, here they are. Okay. So you walk in the front door. And you've got this living area here. And then just to the left, there's some stairs. Looks like they've got tall ceilings up there. But here, you've got this room that I'm not interested enough to go stepping through all this. But I want to see if this little, I'm standing on a microwave here, if this little has a shelf or whatever like those others. Yeah, so papers, this might have been like a main bedroom. There's a door that goes outside, but a lot of these old houses would have two doors in the front. What are you doing? You want to come in here with me and come up these steps? Come on. Come on, girl. Come on in. Come on. Oh, she says no. Uh-oh. Maybe she gets some bad vibes. Ugh. She's trying to tell me something. All right. Well, I'm on my own. So here I go. Okay, up the steps. Up the steps. Got some paneling here, a weird door, a little door that opens that way. All right, got a little stairs area here. Come up to this little space with a window. Nice. So this looks out over where I just was, downstairs in the kitchen. That's what I said was a little mud room. So to my left is this once beautiful red carpet. So I would love this. And the wallpaper in here is beautiful. I love this floral. The ceiling has a little paint peeling. Oh man, I wish I could see what the floor looked like under me. I hope it's secure because I'm in here. I'm doing this. There's some of the older layers of wallpaper in here. All the windows have been busted out for a long time, but I love this ledge. There's a layer of wallpaper. Got the chimney. You leaving me? Don't go. All right, she's out. She says I'm not going in there. I don't know what that is. Some kind of table for something. This floor doesn't, I'm not getting, I mean, who knows? It might be bad under me. But I mean, it's not leaking up here, so I figure, well, it is a little bit there, but so just imagine this carpet and this wallpaper and it's prime. I'm going to stick this up here. I don't know what's up there. Maybe just the roof area, but I'm not going up there. I don't even know if I can. But we'll see. There's a little secret compartment to something. So now I'm going back to where I came up the steps. This is a little closet. These floors feel pretty sturdy right here. So this, well, you can kind of see through it there. Oh God, sorry. Something touched my leg and it scared me. I don't even want to look in here. I'm scared too. It's nothing, it just ends. I guess it was a closet. Okay, back to business. So this wallpaper, actually it's not wallpapered in the whole room. Just in that, maybe a huge walk-in closet. So, stepping on this. Ugh, it's crunchy. Oh yeah. So that's just an attic area I'm looking at. Nothing going on there, but there's some floor rot over there. Light colored paneling. I like that. I like the windows with these ledges, so I would have plenty of plants there. This is looking out over the front porch. Broken glass. Somebody's come in here and, I don't know, ripped it out for some reason. That was unnecessary. So, 2 rooms upstairs. Looked bigger from outside. So I'm going back down. So I think I might go in this room for just a minute because I want to find something with a date on it that might tell me when the last time this place was inhabited. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, well, I see some. So it looks like at one point they had some really neat green floral wallpaper in here that they painted over. So I bet you there's all kinds of layers of beautiful things underneath this paneling that nobody will ever probably get to see. So I've got a atlas here. Maybe there's a date. Come on. Date. Magazines and mail. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to have to find something with a date on it. Okay, well, a 2004 calendar. So, yeah, that could be. Let's see. I want to find the postmark. I wish I had my glasses because I cannot see good without them. Okay, 2004. So, yeah, there's some 2004 mail here, so that kind of makes sense. It looks like an old house, but it could have been still inhabited in 2004. Little toys here. 40th anniversary of Yesu. Here's that wallpaper. Here's that weird little window. That's the room I entered in. Okay. Well, that's an odd little hole right next to the chimney flue. All right, I'm climbing back up. Ain't gonna be using this door. But yeah, this was a very nice, large, beautiful home back in the day. I love this, whatever this kind of ceiling is called. Maybe you could tell me. Now wait, I just spotted something that I love the most. This type of wallpaper. So if I could find, oh my goodness, if I could find some wallpaper like this, I would have it in my house now. I just love it. I just love it. I love that pattern and that design. Okay. So what I think I'm going to do now is go back through, and then I'm going to go out the kitchen, and I'm going to go check out the barns because I think those are interesting too. I'm going back through the danger zone. I love the green over there in that corner. I'm looking for a date again. Ground cinnamon. Okay. I cannot see what the bottom of this bottle says. Maybe it has a date on it. Maybe you can see it and tell me later. I can check it out when I look at the video. But all right, I'm going to the barn. I keep looking at this, but I realize that it's a sponge and not nothing like a weird growth. You waiting for me? Let's go look at the barn. You want to? All right, I've got to watch out for these nails. Oh my goodness. Help me, girl. Help me. Okay. Yeah, there's some more of that stuff. She don't like me being here. What you wanting for, honey? She says, leave this place and never come back. Baby. Okay. I'm out here. The house looks huge from outside, but once you get in there, it's not all that big. Girl. Okay. So, venturing in here. This doesn't look like it gets much use. But it still looks like it's a really good barn. It's not rotting. All the wood looks good. There's a nice little shelf. There's a pillow with that pattern that I like. These lights are neat. Pontiac motors. Huh. So somebody has made lighting fixtures. There's 2 of them out of a hubcap. Pontiac motors. That is really cool. What are these? Some old brake pads. Yep, somebody was working on something out here. All right. Might find some artifacts in here. It's awfully dusty. Yeah, so not much use out of this place in a long time. Parts of the roof is blown off, so they're probably not all that worried about it. This decaying couch is interesting. So I really love, I know that like not a lot of people see beauty in this, but like I just think that this image right here, like the green and the rotting couch and just how that looks, and like all this little whatever down here crumbling looks nice. I just love it. There's the old pattern of the couch and the green. I just like the green. It was probably a pretty cool couch at one point, but it's disintegrated now. Yep, it's done for. Got another. Ugh. Here's some equipment that I don't know. I'm sorry. Maybe you can tell me. Ugh, we're squishy. Getting into the squishy side. John Deere green. Yep. I'm not gonna dig through their rubble here. You coming in? Okay, I'm coming out. I think there was... Oh my God, I'm gonna get hung up. I'm gonna get hung up in this barbed wire that I'm gonna fall right on that. No, not on the saw. Oh, she gonna come in here. You ain't scared. Don't get hung up. There's the house. I guess this was like garage. You know, they had stuff they was working on cars there. So back here is another barn. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it. You going to come with me? I don't think I'm going to make it to that barn, even though I really want to. But I want to see what's back here. I'm probably going to have stuff like this stuck all in my hair. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I can get back here. I want to see what that... Okay, I'm in some briars. It's fine. So yeah, so now I'm going to have to navigate over there. You coming with? You going to get in here with me? We're doing this. Yeah, so I don't know what that is. Farm equipment maybe. I know I'm in briars. I know that she doesn't seem like she wants any part of it. I'm hung. No. It's going to destroy my sweater. Okay. Farm equipment, a tree. I'm getting over there. Okay. Let me make my way. You coming? I'm going to make my way. Come on, hon. Don't leave me to fend for myself. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm in a briar patch. Nope, she looks like she's turning around going the other way. Fine. Okay, here's the barn. Ooh, I'm just risking my legs in the briars for this. Here's a farm equipment. Ooh, yeah, that looks really antique. These big wheels. Love these. Man, that's been here a while. Look how deep it's buried. I don't know what this does, but if you want to tell me, I would love to know. Oh man, there's another obstacle. Aha, maybe not. So I thought that the fence was going to be an obstacle, but it looks like just past these briars, if I could just get these briars away, I can, come on. Oh my God, it's in my shirt. I gotta get there. Gotta get through here. Okay. I'm just gonna let it happen. Oh, you found a better way. Thanks. Damn it. Excuse my language. I'm hung bad. I'm all wrapped up. Oh my God. Now. It's in my legs too. Oh my gosh, I'm getting in more. Now, I wish I'd followed you. Okay. Oh, this might not even been worth it, but you know. Oh, I got more briars to go through. Honey, get me through these briars. Ow. Oh my God. This is terrible. Look. Damn. I mean, dang, excuse me. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is happening. I'm in here bad. Help. How am I going out of here? Now that I'm in, you better show me a better way. Oh my gosh. Okay. Was this worth it? I don't know. Whew. Is it worth it, honey? All right, I made it. I think I'll be all right. So we're in here. Okay. Getting up in here. This floor. Oh no, look. This has a basement. Oh my gosh. And there's no steps to it. Wow. There's no, oh, there was, yeah, because that's what that was. But what was going on down here, huh? That's what I'd like to know. Oh, it looks like there's some more stairs. No, maybe just the back of that. But this is weird. Oh, what is that? What is that rope hanging? Okay. So, I've got a briar that has made its way into my shoe. You just gonna chill and wait on me? Alright. So, I guess there's a whole nother level under me, under this layer of poop. Right there, you could tell where the floor's falling in. I'm gonna take my chances. Oh, I gotta get this briar out of my shoe. I know that. Ah, that's killing me. Just one little briar made its way. Okay, I see a little door back there that I can probably go around to the back and check this out. So this is neat. I don't know what this was used for. Here's a rope hanging. It's a pretty color where it's unraveled. I like that. I know my sweater's going to be unraveled by the time I get out of here. So this is a pretty old chair. So we got a something chair company for longer life and preservation of this chair. Wax all metal parts regularly. So I bet nobody ever waxed these metal parts. But just look at this design. I love this. That is beautiful. The metal's rusted, but that just makes it better. Wow. I really like this. There's looks like some old steps. Most colorful thing in here amongst all the mucky muck. So this corner's got some dishevelment and some jars. So here's like an old Knox Mason. Oh, it's got some dust in it. Oh, it's a shaker. Wow. It's an old mason jar that they've made some kind of shaker out of. I guess this is horse stuff. This looks like an old bottle. Maybe Yoo-hoo or something. That yellow top kind of looks Yoo-hoo. I don't know. I do not know anything about jar and glass. Dairy sanitizer deodorant. This looks like it might be an old peanut jar. Yeah, just some farm equipment. Here's some kind of horse lure or something. That's another farm equipment piece. So this looks like some kind of animal torture device. It's like they took a collar and then put nails through it. I don't know what's been going on out here. Okay, so now what I want to do is go see what's underneath here. With this, I want to do it all with this briar in my foot. Right in the bottom in my shoe. I like that little eave it's got there. Maybe I can dodge some briars. Okay, so we got the concrete foundation down here. Oh, okay. Oh, this briar in my foot. I'm just gonna quit talking about it and just add some more to it because I'm getting hung up again. Okay. And so I got a fence here, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Yeah, I can. Oh, okay. So in here we've got the stables. Maybe horses, maybe cows. So that's a weird little, I feel like deer probably lay down here because like one time I came here and I found like a whole deer home area. So now what I want to do is go in there. I feel like I heard somebody. I hear a vehicle. I hope they're not coming here. They're going to have to walk through briars to get to me. I know that. Okay, so I want to get in there. But this looks really difficult. So maybe there's an opening over here. Because I'd love to go under there and look at them stables. Dang it. Maybe up here. Or maybe an easier place to climb. Okay. Okay. I'm climbing it. You coming with me? You think I should do it? You think I should climb? I'm doing it. Okay, here I go. Oh! I'm making it. I'm doing it. Ow. Okay. You coming? You can't climb, can you? I bet you'll find a better way. Better way than I did. Okay, the side of it's gone. She's leaving me to myself again. Yeah, it looks like... Ah, okay. So now I have another obstacle. I think I can make it. Yep, not too bad. Alright, so got another one of them old chairs. I'm gonna check it out and see if it... Oh, some old information. But what I like, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Clean that up. Man, that'd be so nice, but it's just here amongst the barn. So I'm underneath where I just was. And it's beautiful back here. Oh, look, we got a, I think that's a geode. That's a big one. Nice. I guess maybe they put food down that to feed things down here. I don't know. Looks like these used to be stables also. Yeah, it was a lot going on here at one time. Stable after stable. This is some kind of, I don't know, area, work area. I don't know, machine. Maybe the machine was there. So this is that room I looked down in that the steps were gone to. So this is for the bad ones. I got locked in there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Look at that dirt dauber nest. Ooh, wee. That looks old. Ugh. I'm glad I did not spill that on me. It's the part where the roof is gone. That's what happens. The stuff just goes away. That looks like some kind of old bottle to something. Okay. So now I'm going to go back out. I'm going to try to find a better way. Then I come in. I really like this sweater too, but look. I've got those all over me. Okay. So here's... Oh, there's room in here. Maybe I can... Oh gosh. I definitely don't need to make it through this. Look, so this is pretty much what I walked through to get here. I could just... Maybe I can climb up here and go to there. Okay. I'm gonna have to hoof this for just a minute. Okay, so now that I'm back up here, it's kind of scary that I'm up here because I'm looking at the floor that's underneath me, and like this is what it looks like in a lot of places. And it probably looks like that in a lot of places under this mound of dung and dirt and straw. But I made it. Well, I mean, I'm actually not out of it yet, but I'm pretty close. All I gotta do is make it to that door. So that's where I'm going. And then I'm gonna try to navigate through these briars. And then I will be right back. So this time, I think instead of going through all this briars, I'll probably try to go out this way. I think that's a better idea. So it turns out I probably could have slid right through here. I would have had to dodge that barbed wire, but I think it would have been a lot better idea than what I've been doing. Okay. So I am navigating again through a bit of a briar situation. But maybe not as bad as before. I just gotta maybe stomp them out. Ugh. Climbing through a tree top. Oh man, my hair's getting stuck in this briar. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break from filming and get through this. I'll let you know how it goes. Yep, I know. I'm struggling. All right, so right there's where I just came from. Still have a thorn in my shoe, but she's looking at me like I'm silly. I should not have worn my favorite sweater today. Oh, she's turning around. She knows better. Alrighty, so we are out of here, and I hope you enjoyed our video. Bye-bye.